Hello, Metaverse millionaires. You want to buy land on Next Earth, but you don't know how. Then you are at the right place because this video will solve your problem. I'm Zindagi Sultan and I bring Metaverse and Web 3.0 related videos to you. Dear Metaverse millionaires, you know that buying land on Next Earth is a kind of difficult because beginners don't know how to connect nextearth to Metamask and then swapping it with Polygon Matic. If you are facing the same problem, you can watch the video right above or you can find the link in the description as well. Remember, you can't buy land on nextearth until you connect it with a wallet, and in your wallet you must have Matic as well. If you already have completed both these steps, then come with me. I'll show you live procedure of buying my first land on nextearth. About 1 month before, with the help of my niece and nephew, I already have made a list of about 300 popular places in the world, assuming that we can get almost all of them. So we started our search of favorite land on Next. First land, second land, third land, oops, all were already sold out. Anyway, we didn't give up and continued this search. 1 hour passed, then second hour, but no place. During the whole time, we continued searching national and international places, airports, railway stations, parks, schools, malls, restaurants, but all were gone. I was wondering, because the procedure of setting next earth for land buying is so difficult, then how come that no place was available? And now by this time, I almost had dropped the idea of finding any land on next. But my niece and nephew gave me another hope that we shouldn't search international but just on national level. They also asked me to try buying nearby areas of some famous places. But I was persistent to buy popular place only. So finally, after 2.5 hours, we got a place in our country. And the price was too high, so we just bought few tiles for the sake of experience. We didn't know about the gas fee charges, so our transaction returned a few times. Every time we have to reduce the number of tiles from the original selection. Anyhow, we bought the land, our first land. And if you have some extra money, you should also try buying this land on Nextearth. The buying process is so simple. You just have to log in and go to buy land section, put your desired land in the search bar and check if it's available. If not, then try new place by deselecting the old selection. If you find it hard to recognize the place, you can search the satellite image of that place into Google search. This will help you to find out the exact place you are looking for. Now, after you find your desired place, select the number of tiles you want to buy. Check price per tile. Also check the total amount in USDT. They will show you price in USDT, but as they have recently switched to Polygon Matic, so the final fees will be deducted in Matic. This is the simple process. The only difficult part is connecting part and then converting nextearth to Polygon Matic. For this, you can click the link in the description. Also, feel free to ask if you have any further questions, and do tell me your experience of buying land on Nextearth.